Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn text formula in Excel. First one, concatenate formula. This is a syntax for concatenate formula. This formula used to join or combine the text. For example, I am going to combine the first and second name by using this formula. Left formula. This is syntax for left formula. This formula used to extract the number of left character from the given value. For example, I am going to extract 3 left character from this value and 2 left character from this value. Select the text, 3 number of characters. Next one, right formula. This is syntax for right formula. This formula used to extract the right character from the given value. For example, I am going to extract 4 right character from this value and 3 right character from this value. Select the text. Number of characters. Upper formula. This is syntax for upper formula. This formula used to convert the text to uppercase. For example, I am going to convert these two text to uppercase. Select the text, enter. Next, lower formula. This is syntax for lower formula. This formula used to convert the text to lowercase. For example, I am going to convert these two text to lowercase. Lower bracket. Select the text. Search formula. This is syntax for search formula. This formula used to find the character position. For example, I am going to search N position in the mango and P position in the grapes. I am going to find N in mango, starting number 1. N located in 3rd position and P located in 4th position. Trim formula. This is syntax for trim formula. This formula used to remove the extra space in the text and leave only single space between the words. For example, there is a more space between these two words. So we are going to use trim formula. Select the text. Enter. Proper formula. This is syntax for proper formula. This formula used to capitalize the first letter in each word.